Hey everyone, Wynn here. And in this week's video, we're going to be lifting an ice cube using some thread. And we're going to do so by creating an endothermic reaction. For this experiment, you're going to need some thread, an ice cube, and some salt. First, place your thread over your ice cube. Notice how right now we can't lift the ice cube. But let's see what happens when we sprinkle some salt on it. After you wait a moment, you should be able to do this. Why was I able to lift the ice cube? The salt melted the top and it lowered the freezing point of the water. This melted some of the ice and then it refroze back and the reaction was complete. Now you try it out yourself. How big of an ice cube can you lift? Could you use a thicker string or maybe some yarn? What if you use a different type of salt? Share your results in the comments down below or create your own post. And don't forget to add the hashtag MyFCPL so that way we can see too. And I'll see you next week with another video. Keep on exploring and have some fun.